effective acupressure points to treat hypertension or high blood pressure. In traditional Oriental medicine, hypertension or high blood pressure is directly connected to blockages in the liver meridian. Therefore, acupressure can be used as a successful complementary therapy in managing hypertension. Number 1. GB20, Gallbladder 20. Gallbladder 20 is one of the potent acupressure points for high blood pressure treatment. This point is also called the wind pool, and it is found at the back of the neck, in a depression on either side of the vertebra, right at the base of the skull. This point can be activated by applying steady medium pressure using the thumbs for 1 minute or longer while breathing deeply. Stimulating this point promotes general balance, reduces the fluctuations between high and low blood pressure and alleviates headaches. It is an effective local point for neck pain and stiff neck. It also treats fever, eye problems, shoulder and upper back pain and neck tension. Number 2. GEV20, Governing Vessel 20. Governing Vessel 20 is a potent point of acupressure for high blood pressure control. This point is also called 100 convergences, and it is located at the top of the head, at the center of an imaginary line drawn from ear to ear. Pressing and massaging this point with the help of the fingers and thumbs is helpful for refreshing the center of spirit, clearing the heads, calming the nerves, strengthening memory and concentration and alleviating depression. It is also beneficial for treating eye problems, headache, dizziness, and irritability. Number 3. LV3, Large Intestine 4. Large Intestine 4 is an extremely useful acupressure point that is extensively used to treat chronic pain and various types of diseases along with treatment for high blood pressure. This point is also termed the Union Valley, and it is situated in the webbing between the forefinger and the thumb. It calms and balances blood flow throughout the body and clears stagnation. It aids in boosting immunity, treating toothache, eye problems, fear, rhinitis, skin problems, TMJ problems, sinus and menstrual problems. Pregnant women should not stimulate this point as it can induce labor prematurely. Number 4. ST36, Stomach 36. Stomach 36 is an effective acupressure point to treat hypertension, arteriosclerosis, and circulatory disorders. It rejuvenates the chi and blood and restores the balance of the energies. This point is called the leg 3 miles, and it is positioned 4 finger widths below the lower edge of the kneecap and 1 finger width off the shin bone to the outer side. This point can be activated by applying moderate to firm pressure on the point for 1 minute. It also aids to tonify the blood, treat digestive disorders, general weakness, lower leg pain, asthma, PMS symptoms, depression and insomnia. Number 5. PC6, Pericardium 6. Pericardium 6 is yet another important acupressure point for treating high blood pressure. It soothes and helps the heart and circulatory system in their proper functioning. This point is also known as the inner gate, and it is located on the inner forearm, approximately 3 finger widths away from the wrist crease. This point can be stimulated by applying firm pressure to the point using the index finger. It also helps to relieve anxiety, nausea, vomiting, motion sickness, chest congestion, asthma, cough, wrist pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, and headaches. Number 6. LV3, Liver 3. Liver 3 is one of the vital acupressure points for hypertension treatment. Hypertension is closely connected to blockages in the liver meridian, and stimulating this point helps in clearing the liver meridian. This point is also called the big rushing, and it is situated on the top of the foot, on the web margin of skin between the big toe and the second toe. This point can be stimulated by applying pressure to the point using the index finger for 1 minute. It also helps to cure eye problems, menstrual issues, male impotence, nausea, vomiting, indigestion, anxiety, irritability, and insomnia. Number 7. Height 7, Heart 7. Heart 7 is a vital acupressure point for hypertension treatment that helps to calm stress, anxiety, nervousness and irritability. This point is also termed the spirit gate, and it is positioned at the wrist crease, on the radial side of the flexor carpi ulnaris tendon, at the midpoint of the ulna and the pisiform bones. Stimulating this point by applying steady pressure of the thumb helps in treating heart problems like angina, irregular heartbeat, pounding heart, sleeping disorders, anxiety, mania and insomnia. Number 8. KD1, Kidney 1. Kidney 1 is the final relaxing acupressure point for hypertension treatment that helps to calm and relax all tensions, anxiety, irritability and anger. This point is also termed the bubbling spring, and it can be found on the sole of the foot, amid the second and the third toe bone, 2/3 of the distance from the heel to the base of the second toe. It is also functional for treating headaches, tinnitus, epilepsy, sore throat, lower back pain, sleeping disorders, postmenopausal symptoms and nausea. So, bring a few positive changes in your lifestyle, follow a healthy diet, engage in daily physical activities and stimulate a few of these acupressure points in order to keep your blood pressure under control. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe it for latest videos.